I hope you all are fine. Okay students, in our last class we discussed about types of force. Is it? Yes, there are two types of force, that is contact force and non-contact force. What is contact force? Contact force means force exerted by one object on another object on physical contact or physical touching. Is it? That is contact force. Okay, example. Yes, we already discussed what is muscular force and what is frictional force. Okay students, today we are going to discuss about what is non-contact force. Okay students, non-contact force means force exerted by one object on another object without any physical contact. Okay, that is non-contact force. Okay, force exerted by one object on another object without any physical contact, that is non-contact force. Okay, all of you clear? Okay. Example, magnetic force, gravitational force and electrostatic force. First we will discuss about what is magnetic force. Let's see what is magnetic force. Magnetic force means force exerted by magnets. Is called magnetic force. Okay, magnetic force means force which is exerted by magnets. Is called magnetic force. Okay students, yes, magnets exert force on another magnet or an iron. Okay, magnet exerts force on another magnet or an iron. Okay students, this is magnetic force. Okay, for example, see. Okay students, we already know like poles will attract, unlike poles will repel. We already studied in 7th standard. Is it? So students, yes, when one magnet is bring near to another magnet, what happens? Sometimes it will attract or sometimes it will repel. Is it? So this happens without touching of both magnet. Is it? So it is non-contact force. Okay, magnetic force is a non-contact force because it's work from distance. Okay, because it works from distance. Okay, all of you clear what is magnetic force? Magnetic force means force exerted by magnets is called magnetic force. That's the next one, that is gravitational force. Gravitational force means the force by which Earth attracts every object towards its center. That is gravitational force. Okay, all of you clear? The force by which Earth attracts every object towards its center. That is gravitational force. For example, if we throw a ball up or if we throw a pen up, what happens? It falls down automatically. This is because of gravity. Okay, gravitational force of Earth on pen. Okay students, see, pen keeps moving towards Earth. Here both pen and Earth are not in contact. Is it? So this is non-contact force. Gravitational force is a non-contact force because it works from distance. Okay, all of you clear what is gravitational force? Another example for gravitational force, is it? Yes, yes. Fruits fell down towards Earth and yes, leaves fell down towards Earth. This is because of gravitational force of Earth on leaves and fruits. Okay, all of you clear what is gravitational force? Gravitational force means the force by which Earth attracts every object towards its center. That is gravitational force. Okay, students, the next one, that is electrostatic force. Electrostatic force means the force exerted by charged body. Force exerted by charged body on another charged body or uncharged body. Okay, that is electrostatic force. Electrostatic force means force exerted by charged body on another charged body or uncharged body, that is electrostatic force. Okay, for example, yes, take one balloon balloon using clothes. Okay, like this. Then what happened? This balloon becomes charged. Okay, students, take another balloon which is not charged. Okay, bring these two balloons near each other. What happened? It will attract each other. It will attract each other. That means charged balloon will attract uncharged balloon. Okay, charged bodies will attract uncharged body. Okay, all of you clear? Another case, take two balloons. Two balloons are charged balloons. Okay, brought these two charged balloons near each other. What happened? It will repel. That means charged balloons will repel each other. Okay, two charged objects repel each other. This happened. These two balloons are not in contact. That means electrostatic force is a non-contact force. Okay, electrostatic force is a non-contact force. It works from distance. Okay, all of you clear? Electrostatic force means the force exerted by a charged body on another charged body or uncharged body is called electrostatic